I say good morning to the million peso question is, from real to real na nga ba? Baby babe, at ano, minantono at bell.
Of course, it's great to start my day and say good morning to you and all the people.
Start na, you're one of the few people who are there to me when everyone's doing it.
There was a point na naging talagang genuine yung pagsasamahan natin. It came to a point na sobrang nice na kami kasama sa behind the scenes.
Grateful and multi-awarded love team. Ang mga magulang ng lahat ng bubbly. And Babe Era.
Always follow your demo, I think.
Of course.
Hi guys. You know, this still feels so unreal. Never in our lives have we ever thought that we will actually be in front of you guys here sa Araneta Coliseum in front of thousands of people.
Honestly, guys, last night I wasn't feeling well, really, but this moment, hindi ko papalipasin to kasi kaya nangyayari to. So, thank you so much.
Kung alam nyo lang guys, how close you are sa mga puso namin. Seryoso, ever since day one na dyan kayo, nandito pa rin kayo, stronger than ever. Maraming salamat po. We love you guys so much. And because of that, we want to dedicate this to you. So first, can everyone like turn off or turn on their flashlights? You know what it is. Turn on your flashlights, and of course, you have to sing along with us, okay? Hi Zach.
Get the tail of the music starts in my tongue.
mag-duet tayo. Iba pala yung feeling pag kasama sila.
Oo naman!
I feel like we should have a little fun. What do you think? You think they'll know this one? We love you guys so much. Thank you. Okay. Okay naman kayo dyan? So far? Pwede mo magkwentuhan na lang kami. Guys, okay na kayo dyan? Yung dyan sa taas, okay naman kayo dyan? Okay, dito muna tayo sa side na to. Okay ba kayo dyan? Sa side na to, okay ba kayo dyan? O sa taas naman, okay ba kayo dyan? So I feel like... Ay, sa gitna ba?
Oh, yung ganda, yung ganda! Okay ba kayo dyan? Wow! Grabe naman yung energy ng Araneta, oh!
Ba talaga, tsaka grabe yung mga banners ninyo, guys. Can I just say? Grabe yung effort ninyo.
Alam mo, feeling ko mas magkaka-energy sila once na sumagyan natin sila.
I think it's time we like reveal something tonight.
Ready na ba kayo?
Let's play a little game. Let's count together till we unlock another convenient surprise for you.
From digital surprises at kulatan namin for the past few weeks. Total na natin dito kulatan natin sa Araneta, di ba? So, Nato, should we reveal something right now?
Oh, daw, sabi nila eh. Ang tanong,
Are you ready,
Araneta? Drum roll! Surprise! We are super thrilled to share with you all another surprise for the first comeback movie of Star Cinema in theaters this 2022. An Inconvenient Love directed by Peterson Vargas.
We share with you tonight a still from our next movie. First namin on the big screen. So, see you guys in the cinemas, okay?
Kita-kits tayo coming November 23, 2022. Only in cinemas. Maraming salamat.
Yan, sana nagustuhan niyo po ang surprise namin ni Nato. Pero meron pa kaming isa pang surprise para sa inyo.
Never-ending surprises. I love that. But before that, Belle and I would like to thank Smart for supporting HIH All Access. Again, Smart's new Power All 99 gives you the power to do what you want.
With big data, unlimited talk and text to all for 7 days. Thank you, Smart. Gusto rin namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat on behalf of the HIH Barkada sa pagmamahal nyo sa amin mula Season 1 hanggang Season 2. Sama-sama nating balikan ang best moments natin sa HIH. Kaya naman, watch this. I love you guys!
Lahat ng
Love you.
kwento ay may simula.
Tulungan mo kami!
Simula ng bagong buhay,
Welcome to Benison Youth Valle. I hope you have learned and taken to heart the mission and vision of the school for your senior year with us.
ng bagong pagkakaibigan,
Hindi rin alam